dedicated educational professional with 7 years of banking and more than 15 years of teaching experience in both a title and non-title school, who believes teaching is just not a profession but a use all your resources to push the community further. The great mentors warmly welcome Dr. Rupali Dhamdhere for talk show session. In many years of experience covering all aspects of school operations, including teaching, counseling and special program management, she has proven her ability to create and monitor policies and practices that promote a safe learning environment, ensure a school culture that encourages continuous improvements for teachers and students, and develop an environment that encourages open communication with colleagues, students and the community. Demonstrated knowledge and leadership in the area of state educational policies. She became a teacher to instill hope and aspiration in the youth, because she truly believed in their potential for a greater cause. She encouraged and supported her team of professionals to receive the rightful honor which they were worthy of. She strives to play an important role in the education and personal growth of children and adults by encouraging them to maximize their potential while promoting the interpersonal and communication skills essential in creating a positive and productive working environment. She has the personal and professional qualities that are well matched to school administration. Dr. Rupali has been conferred with so many prestigious awards. Recognized as one of the 50 most influential principals of India, 2019, by World Education Congress. Receiver of the Best Principal Award 2019, national level, for contribution to Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. CBSE Resource Person Workshop for CCE Training January 2016. Recognized as Top 25 Women Leaders in Indian Education Sectors 2018 and many other recognitions and awards.